stock videos. You know, the things that you're watching right now. I've been asked countless times, and it even confused me for a while, how does stock photography work? How do stock videos work? How do they not claim your videos? If you cancel the membership, will they come after your videos? Let's talk about that. I use a lot of stock videos in my YouTube videos. Not only do I use clips, which from time to time is fair use, but I use a lot of B-roll. B-roll is the stuff that you overlay on your videos to suggest what you're doing. Skydiving, boating, racing, jumping up and down on a trampoline, whatever it needs to be. Those videos there I've taken from a place called Storyblocks. There's many other places out there, Adobe Stock, that kind of thing. But many people ask me, once you've used that video, if you used to cancel the membership from that website, will they come and claim your videos? This is one of the things that put me off using B-roll footage for a very, very long time. No. The answer here is no. They can't come and claim your content. The way it works is, if you sign up for a service such as, in my case, Storyblocks, you sign up for a membership fee, which is a monthly fee, and then when you download, you get a license, and that license allows you to use that video in perpetuity, specifically for your channel and your content for forever. Some places you download it for a specific video and a specific project, but any content created within the kind of sphere of how long your membership is, that's kind of protected, that's safe. They'll never come back and they'll claim that. Your account stays there, you link your account from their dashboard to your YouTube channel, and it kind of looks after it. In fact, it kind of removes any copyright claims in the long run should it accidentally get flagged. I've even added multiple accounts because I've got a few clients that I create content for. I personally have my own channels as well. I've got my meditation mindfulness channel, I have this channel, I've done some crypto stuff, and just generally I create content for clients and stuff like that, so I can add multiple channels on there. Then I don't have to worry. If at any point they do claim my content, I can go into their claim section, I can unclaim, and then they go through and it pings it and then it releases claims. And it's fairly quick. I've 2 or 3 hours, 2 days at most. But overall it means that I can put fantastic footage in all of my videos and kind of break up the monotonous of my face and not have to worry about copyright claims and legal issues. If you want to learn more about B-roll or any other frequently asked questions, check out this playlist here.